The worst of the worst. We could expect more travel disruptions as we continue to track Hurricane Michael. Of course, this could impact thousands of football fans. They're heading south to Baton Rouge for the big UGA sellout game against LSU. Deborah Tuff is live at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Deborah, we see the crowds behind you. Already some folks traveling around the world's busiest airport. But what about the impact from Michael? Are you seeing anything from that?
Not yet, and that's the good news. JoJo, check out these departure boards. No cancellations as of yet, emphasis on yet, but still Delta, American, Southwest Airlines preparing ahead. So while you're packing your bags, folks, pack a load of patience. Delta capped certain fares, issued travel waivers. Meanwhile, Southwest is telling folks who are traveling to places like Atlanta and New Orleans to, quote, expect disruptions. Now, a lot of these airlines, like Delta, issued waivers and grace periods. To find out what your airline is doing, just check your app or pick up the phone and make a quick call.